Wow. Yeah, that's just adorable. Yeah, I'm in love. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new here. Happy New Year to you all. I hope everyone's had a lovely festive Christmas and New Year. Today's video is going to be a Shein haul, so make sure to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe down below if you like this video, and turn the notification bell so you don't miss my videos in the new year. And yeah, I wasn't even going to film this today, but I just couldn't wait. And I have been filming my videos recently on the other side of my bed, but the lighting's been a bit funny recently, so I thought I'd just sit here and do it quickly. I haven't even opened the box yet, so I'm gonna open the box with you. I am concerned that it's not all here because I ordered 2 coats in this order, and I've got a box. Let me show you. So this is the box that came. Like, it is a pretty big box, but I'm still not sure if it's gonna have 2 big coats in it because they are quite big coats, not just like jackets. So yeah, I'm gonna open it with you guys now, and see if it's all right in. I'll pop all the prices and sizes that I got on the screen. It's really bad, I did actually make another order on like the other day, so that's not here yet, but it's not big enough for like a haul, so I'm probably going to show it on my Instagram. So make sure you follow my Instagram so that you can get ready for that, because I'll do like a little mini haul on my stories. Okay, so the first thing I'm really excited about is a jumper, and I was really excited for this. I've seen it on a few people's hauls, like on YouTube, and I really wanted it, and I'm really into, oh, it's quite smaller than I thought it'd be. Okay, so this is a jumper, and it is, says Dussel, what does it say? Duffel Spritzer or whatever. So I really like the style of this, and I love these kind of jumpers, and I love wearing them with like a roll neck, and my vision with this was like wear like a black roll neck underneath or a white one, but I think black would look better, and it is this lovely like beigey colour. But I got it in a large because I wanted it to be oversized, and it is a lot smaller than I thought it'd be. So yeah, hopefully it should fit. Like, it looks like it'll fit me, if you see what I mean. It looks like it will fit me, but it's definitely a lot smaller than I thought it'd be, like for a large. I wouldn't look at that and think that's a large. That looks more like a medium to me, but the sleeves do look quite oversized. But yeah, I'll let you know how that fits, because okay, so next we have a skirt. So this is, oh, I like the feel of this material. I wasn't sure how it was going to be. I also ordered this in a large because their skirts can come up a bit small, but this looks like it should hopefully fit me really nicely. And it is this lovely, it's that really nice like ribbed cotton kind of feel, you know, when you have like soft cozy bedding, that's what it feels like. Yeah, I really like the look of this. I really love the colours, the beigey browny kind of tones, and I got it in a large. Yeah, I'm really hoping it fits because it's a large, but some things like this, I never know whether to get a medium or a large, because sometimes I can get a medium and they can still be too small. So hopefully, with this being a large, I'm hoping it'll be quite roomy, that I can put like roll necks underneath it and things like that. I don't know if my coats are in here or not. Oh, I think I can see a coat. Is that a coat? Okay, so the next item is a top, and it is one of them like meshy style tops. I've actually never had one of these before, but I've always really wanted one. And this, I'm not really going to be wearing this anywhere anytime soon, but maybe in the summer anyway. It's this mesh butterfly top, and I just thought it was so pretty. What size did I get this in? Was it a medium? Probably a medium, but there's no tag on here obviously because it's supposed to be mesh, so that wouldn't really be. Let's have a look on the inside. What size did I get it in? Yeah, I got it in a medium. And it's long sleeved. Oh, it's so pretty. I can just imagine wearing that out somewhere when we're finally allowed to get out, hopefully this year. Well, 2021, it's still 2020 when I'm filming this, but hopefully 2021 will be the year that we can go out somewhere, so I can wear something like this. I mean, this isn't really a going out top, but still it's a nice, more of an occasion top really. So yeah, I really love that. Next item is a bit of a random one. This is actually a bath bomb. Shein, if you didn't know, Shein now have a whole collection of like bath bombs, stuff like that on their website. I nearly ordered more than one, but in the end I just thought, no, I'm just gonna get one. I'll put a picture in here of what it looks like the actual pattern of the bath bomb here. And yeah, it's just a one size bath bomb, and I think this was like a colourful one. It's really cute branding. Obviously it's not the Shein brand. The brand itself, that is selling on Shein. What's the brand called? It doesn't say, but I'm sure the picture I show you will say that. It was really cheap. It was like £2, I think, or £2.50, so no more than £3 anyway. I did actually get a discount on all these items. I think it was like the usual 15% discount they have on that. I also got a free little purse, because I spent that much money that I got this free little Shein purse. A little thing on it, little coin purse. So the next thing I picked up was this packet of face masks and scrunchies. So you get 3 face masks. I really wanted some silk face masks for my, well, I bought them with work in mind, but obviously I'm not working at the moment, but I'll still wear them when I go out and about. But I bought them like for work because I thought they'd be better for my skin, because silk face masks are supposed to be better and more soft on your skin. So you get 3 in the pack. You get this kind of whitey goldy one, and then there's like a nudie pink colour, you can see there, and then this kind of darker, it's not really brown, it's more of a reddy, not really burgundy, but it's, you know what I mean, like a wine colour. And then you get 3 matching scrunchies to go with it, and I just thought that was really cute, and it was really cheap. It was no more than £5, and I thought that was a bargain. The jumper, I ordered myself just a black plain jumper, because I'm one of those people that never has like a black plain jumper. Like I do have black plain jumpers, but nothing, I have one that's like an off the shoulder one, so it's not really practical. So this one I ordered was just a black turtleneck jumper, and it's, yeah, as you can see, it's got the turtleneck like this. And yeah, what size did I get this one in? Was it a medium or a large? I might have got a large to oversize, just to size up for that comfy fit. Yeah, I got it in a large. Doesn't look huge, but it looks like it will fit me, and it looks like it should be like a bit slouchy, so hopefully. I do think it is all in here, because I can see one of the coats here. Oh, it's so exciting. So the next thing is a jumper. This, I was so like drawn to this. It's this cozy soft material. I love these. I've got one, like a cream one, which I've worn to death, and I still wear it now, and I love it. This one is I bought this in a size large, just for comfort again, and it is this it's not gingham, but it's that black and white material, and it's got a little tie thing, I think. Yeah, it's got a little tie here, so you could tie it in the waist, and it's got a hood as well, which I just think is amazing. Lovely, nice little comfy sleeves that pull in there. Honestly, it's so cozy, guys. I'm so happy with this. I haven't even tried it on yet, but I know it's going to be so cozy to wear around the house and out and about if I want to. Yeah, that's just adorable. So the next item is a top, and it is a bodysuit, I think this is. It is this lovely chocolate colour. I finally had to jump, obviously you can tell by this haul, I finally had to jump on the chocolate bandwagon. And I got this ribs bodysuit. No, it's not a bodysuit, it's just a top. I forgot why I'd ordered it, it was that long ago. It's quite a long top, which is probably a good thing because you can tuck it in. And it's got a slight neck to it, high neck, like it's not really a turtleneck, but do you know what I mean? So that's that. And I just figured that would just be worn a lot around the house with joggers and, you know, cozy and comfy vibes. And then once I can actually get out of the house, I'll probably wear it nice as well. So yeah, I've got that one. That one was a size, probably a medium. Two items, which is what I was drawn to in this haul. I've got 2 coats. Do I need 2 more coats? My mum's gonna absolutely kill me when she sees these. But I just couldn't say no. And the sales were so good, so I was like, I need it. So the first one, as you can tell, is this teddy coat. And it is a long one. It's a long line teddy coat. Oh, I just cannot wait to try this on. I think I got it in a large because I'm not super tall, but I want the height, you know, I need the extra room. So, oh wow. Okay, so this is the coat. I think I paid about £20 or something from this, which is quite amazing. So this is the coat. I'm not doing it very good justice. I want to try it on, but I've got a jumper on right now, so it's not really the best thing to try it on with. So this is the coat. Yeah, how long is it going to be on me? It's going to stand up. You know what? I'm going to try it on. Wow. Okay, so this is the coat. Thought I'd just show you this instead of doing a cutaway clip. I'm really happy with the length of it. I was worried the length wouldn't be as long as I wanted it, but it is. It's just down to my knees, so it's long enough for me. I don't think I'd want it any longer than that. I love it. Oh, so cozy. My thoughts are on this coat, I love it and I'm going to keep it, but it's probably the quality, I would say if you want something better quality, then this probably isn't the one. The quality is not insane, like it's not bad, but it doesn't feel like this doesn't feel as nice as that black and white jumper does. This feels a bit more, it definitely feels cheaper. So yeah, so I think if you want something better quality, you would spend more money on it, but as I only paid about £20 for this, then I would definitely say that it's worth £20. It's not 100% thick, but I don't think it's supposed to be thick. Like, obviously it's got like that kind of lining in it, but it is really nice and I do like it, and I do love it. But like I said, if you want something to better quality, then this probably isn't the coat. But yeah, I love it, and glad that I went for a large. It's got lots of room in it. Okay, so I'm going to try on the other coat as well. So the other coat that I wanted was, so I wanted two coats. I wanted that one because I wanted a teddy coat. I also just wanted a long line black coat just for like weather, because I don't really have, I have one black coat, but it's not really, it is waterproof, but it's just not like, you know what I mean? I wanted like a long one that was a nice thick puffer jacket. That's what I wanted. So that was in my mind for this. So this is the coat. Again, I'm going to try it on for you guys here. I think again, do I get some large? I also think it's great with Shein is that you can look at their reviews. So for this coat, I was looking at the reviews because I was worried I'd get it and it wouldn't be like thick, but it definitely, I would say it's thick enough. Yeah, this is the coat. We could show it to you here, and now we'll try it on. It's got a hood, it's got padded arms, and it's, let me just try it on. Let's try it on. We can't waste any more time, can we? You've got to try it on. Okay, we ready for this? Oh, I love it. This has been what I wanted. I'm so happy with this. Let me zip it up. Yeah, I'm in love. I'm just one big puffer coat. I love it because I think I'm actually going to wear this out in a minute because I need to go to the post office and I need to go to Home Bargains. Not that you care, but I'm going to wear this. I probably would wear it undone because I wear a lot of my coats undone like this. Let's put the hood up. Yeah, so thoughts on this coat, I love it. I would say the sleeves are long enough, just about. It's nice and thick. I'm actually quite surprised that it is as thick as it is. I did think I was expecting it to come and not be as thick as I thought it would be, but it is a nice thickness. It's like I say, it's got room to, I've got a thick jumper on here and it's got room. So I'd have even more room if I wasn't wearing like a jumper. Yeah, I just love it for the price I pay. I mean, let's be honest, it isn't your North Face coat. Like, it's not a North Face coat. Like, it's not worth £200, but I'm happy with it. So yeah, I love my coat. I don't want to take it off. So yeah, at the moment, I'm obviously like I haven't actually tried any of this stuff on yet, except from the coats. So I'm really impressed with the coats. I'm a bit on two ways whether I'm going to keep that teddy coat or not, because like I said, the quality isn't amazing. I don't know if I should keep it or not, but I do really like the way it looks. So that is the end of the video, guys. I'm going to try and do the try on clips later on when I'm home, because I'm going to pop out. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. This is going to be the last haul for a while, hopefully, because I'm planning to do a spending ban in January. So this will be the last Shein haul for a couple of months, hopefully. So I hope you enjoyed it. Make sure you give it a massive thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new here. Turn the notification bell so you don't miss my video. And I will see you soon for a new video, guys. Bye.